relation and function. Relation and function are the most important topics in algebra. Relations and functions, these are the two different words, having different meanings mathematically. You might get confused about their difference. What is function? A function is a relation which describes that there should be only one output for each input, or we can say that a special kind of relation, a set of ordered pairs, which follows a rule, i.e., every x value should be associated with only one y value, is called a function. Example, in the relation -2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -5, -2, 3. The domain is -2, 4, 6, and range is -5, 3, 5. Types of functions. One-to-one function or injective function. A function f, pq, is said to be one-to-one if for each element of P there is a distinct element of Q. Many-to-one function, a function which maps two or more elements of P to the same element of set Q. Special functions in algebra. Some of the important functions are as follow: constant function, identity function, linear function, absolute value function, inverse functions. What is the relation? It is a subset of the Cartesian product, or simply a bunch of points ordered pairs. In other words, the relation between the two sets is defined as the object from each set. Examples: -2, 1, 4, 3, 7, -3. Usually written in set notation from with curly brackets. Relation representation. There are other ways to write the relation, apart from set notation, such as through tables plotting it on xy axis or through mapping diagram. Types of relations: empty relations, universal relations, identity relations, inverse relations, reflexive relations, symmetric relations, transitive relations. Let us discuss all the types one by one. Empty relations. When there's no element of set X is related or mapped to any element of X, then the relation Rna is empty relation and also called the void relation. I equals, for example, empty set. If there are 100 mangoes in the fruit basket, there's no possibility of finding a relation of R of getting any apple in the basket, so R is void as it has 100 mangoes and no apples. Universal relation. R is a relation in a set, let's say, is a universal relation, because in this full relation every element of A is related to every element of AI equals XA. It's a full of relation as every element of set A is in set B. Identity relation. If every element of set A is related to itself only, it is called identity relation equals you're A. For example, when we throw the dice, the total number of possible outcomes is 36. I.1, 1, 12, 13, 66 from these. If we consider the relation 11, 12, 33, 44, 5, 5, 6, 6, it is an identity relation. Inverse relation. If R is a relation from set A to B, i.e. R euro x B, the relation R equals B, A, I, B euro R. For example, if you throw the dice, if R equals 1 to 2, 3, R equals 2, 1, 3, to here the domain is the range R. And vice versa. Reflexive relation. A relation is a reflexive relation if every element of set A maps to itself, i.e. for every euro A euro R. Symmetric relations. A symmetric relations is a relation R on a set. A if a B euro R, then B a euro R for all A and B euro B. Transitive relation. If a B euro R B C euro R, then C euro R for all of B C euro A, and this relation in set A is transitive, equivalent relation. If a relation is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive, then the relation is called an equivalence relation.
Thank you for your patience watching this video.